These isotonic practices helps in relaxing the muscles most efficiently. These isotonic practices practicing every day makes a lot of difference, as the rigidity is the more in Parkinson's patients. Rigidity apart, the slowness also part of neuromuscular junction, where stimulation of neuromuscular junction happens with these isometric practices. Also, loosening practices helps in loosening the joints also, the soft tissues also, majorly muscles. Next practices, the asana practices helps in gaining the stability. Imbalance what we are seeing in most commonly in Parkinson's can be effectively managed with some of balancing asanas. Also, many of the postures which straight away addresses the balancing of muscles, right, left, upper body and lower body. Now, slowly moving to the next practices, breathing techniques. You may be wondering how the pranayamas or breathing techniques helps in the Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's, even though it is physically manifested disease, there is lot of components involved in the mind also. Mind, different from brain, the majorly affects the physical part. Mind and body is well known the medicine department, where any the negativity in the mind, any stress in the mind, easily it shows up in the form of physical symptoms. There are two major systems involved with the stress consequence. First is the musculoskeletal system, second one is gastrointestinal system. In fact, the Parkinson's disease manifests in both these systems in the form of the voluntary symptoms in the form of tremors, the bradykinesia and also the rigidity. Involuntary also commonly seen the constipation. Anxiety also most commonly seen symptoms. And slowly let us understand how the anxiety is affecting the physical symptoms in the form of the tremors more seen when the patient is more anxious. Any of the challenges, any of the unseen circumstances, suddenly patients become little bit apprehensive or anxious. Simultaneously, they are seeing more of the tremors and rigidity also. With this understanding, the breathing techniques or pranayama practices helps to coordinate our mind and body. We call it as bridge between mind and body. And with this, the balance between mind and body we are achieving. Next is the breathing techniques later.